In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView for a seamless trading experience. We'll walk through each step of setting up and executing trades, ensuring that you fully understand how to navigate this powerful platform. First off, open your TradingView chart. For this tutorial, we'll use the BTC USD chart, a popular choice among traders. Remember, the most crucial rule before you start trading real money is to find your edge. This means having a proven strategy that you've practiced and feel confident with. Once you have your chart open, head to the bottom of TradingView. You'll see a panel that you can click and drag upwards. Doing this will reveal the available trading platforms that you can connect to directly through TradingView. From this point, you'll be able to link with any of the listed brokers. Today, we'll connect with a demo trading account on TradingView. This is a great way to practice trades without risking real money. The perfect environment for honing your skills. Next, click on the option to connect, which will lead you to open a paper trading account. Within this account setup, you have the chance to explore different trading strategies without any real-world consequences. To start, open a new paper trading account by clicking the drop-down menu next to your trading name. Then, select Create Account. You'll need to name your account, ensuring it's something memorable and relevant to your trading goals. You'll also set a balance for this account. I recommend choosing an amount similar to what you typically trade with in real life. This approach gives you a more realistic sense of the market environment. When it comes to leverage, choose wisely. For Forex trading, a common leverage ratio is 1:100, often provided by average Forex brokers. Start with the default settings and adjust as you gain more experience. You have access to a variety of trading instruments available through TradingView, such as futures, stocks, and crypto. Whether you're diversifying or focusing on a particular market, you'll find what you need. After setting everything up, click Create to finalize your demo account. With your account ready, the next step is placing an order. Clicking Order takes you to different trade execution options: market, limit, and stop orders, each serving specific trading styles and objectives. Enter the number of units you intend to trade. Keep an eye on the margin used. It provides a clear picture of your account's requirement to maintain this trade. Setting a take profit or stop loss isn't mandatory right away, but if you have a target, it's a good idea to establish these boundaries from the onset. Once you're ready to dive in, click Buy to execute your trade. Immediately, you'll notice TP and SL lines on your chart, visually representing your take profit and stop loss levels. If at any time you want to adjust these, simply click on them and drag to a new position. For example, as your trade moves into profit, you might decide to move your stop loss to break even or modify your take profit to capture more gains. Lastly, you can easily close the trade window, explore other trading instruments, and look for additional setups. Click another chart to switch your view, and when inspiration strikes, click Trade to begin the process anew and place a fresh trade. TradingView's user-friendly design and comprehensive tools make it a standout choice for both budding and seasoned traders alike.